Hi, Big Data Biggies. So welcome to this video. This video is about Deloitte Hadoop real interview questions for 5 to 9 years experienced. Job description. So they need good hands-on experience on Hadoop. Good to have knowledge on Python. So for writing the codes and all, we need to Python knowledge. And name data robot. Having knowledge on this will be an added advantage. Tell about yourself. So explain your job roles and responsibilities. We need to explain our job roles and responsibilities, how we get the task, how we execute the task, how we are going to execute the MapReduce functions, how we are going to use the HDFS, how we are going to use the Hadoop in an effective way, like that we need to explain here. Big data. So what is big data? Why we use that? So big data is for handling large number of data. So there are many tools available for that. So all those things we need to explain here. Section. First question is, can you say something about Hadoop 3.0? So the latest features and versions available in Hadoop 3.0 we need to explain. Next question is, what is yarn? So yarn is responsible for allocating system resources to various applications running in Hadoop cluster and scheduling tasks to be executed on different cluster nodes. The next one is, what is Apache Mahout? So Apache Mahout is used by companies and researchers for handling a large amount of data for tasks such as recommendation engines, clustering and classifications. Third one is S3A connector. So S3 connector is for accessing data stored in S3. So this is introduced in Apache Hadoop 2.7.0. So it is like a protocol built on top of S3 protocol. So it has Object API to provide better performance and scalability. So next one is, what is HDFS? So HDFS is the Hadoop distributed file system. This is the primary storage system by Hadoop applications. It will store all the data nodes inside this one only. So that is what we need to explain here. Question. So can we run Hadoop on Amazon Web Services? Of course we can run Hadoop on Amazon Web Services. The next question is Hadoop components. So the components, there are mainly 4 components available. One is HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. Next one is yarn, yet another resource negotiator. And third one is MapReduce. It is an important concept in Hadoop. And then next one is Hadoop common. Next question is how Hive works with Hadoop. So Hive is built on top of Apache Hadoop, which is an open source framework which is mainly used for efficiently store and process large data sets. The next one is how Hadoop works. So Hadoop mainly is for managing the storage and processing of large amount of data for applications. So Hadoop uses distributed storage and parallel processing to handle big data and analytics jobs. So it will break the workloads down into smaller workloads, and all those can be run at the same time to get the data efficiently. Next question is, what is MapReduce, and write a code for that one. So MapReduce is an important function in Hadoop. It is actually a programming paradigm that enables massive scalability across hundreds or thousands of servers in a Hadoop cluster. At the processing of the component, MapReduce is the heart of Apache Hadoop. I already told you. The term MapReduce refers to two separate the distinct tasks of the Hadoop program. So one is map and another one is reduce. So the mapper function will be available for mapping the datasets and nodes, and reduce is for reducing the spaces between them. So that is how it is working. Python questions. How Python is integrated with Hadoop. So Python is be used instead of Java or Hadoop, Java or Scala. We can go for Python, which is giving good components, which is having good Python packages and libraries for integrating and writing codes for Hadoop. Second one is write a sample code for mapper and reducer function. So mapper and reducer functions are important concept of Hadoop. So they're expecting to write code on this one. Third one is how to retrieve file data from HDFS using Python Snakebite. So Python Snakebite is a Python library which is available for retrieving data from HDFS. Next one is, what is a lambda function? A lambda function is a one-line function which will return the output in a single line itself. Next one is how casting works in Python. So how the different data types are typecasted is the concept they are asking here. Nine data robot and Apache Flink. So they are expecting experience on Nine data robot and Apache Flink. So the basic concepts are whatever you know, those knowledges you need to explain here. Thank you people. Thanks for watching Big Data Channel. Be Biggie. Please like, share and comment my channel Big Data.